Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make the 3D flowers with resin. All you need is resin and some alcohol inks. So let's get started. Okay, so this is a medium viscosity resin and I've taken 60 grams in total for a 4.8-inch coaster, out of which 10 grams I've set aside. So in this 10 grams of resin, I have put 6 to 7 drops of white alcohol ink. Okay, so mix this up really nice. So next, all I need are some different colored alcohol inks to make my petals. I'm dropping in different colored alcohol inks and I'm dropping them in the same time as I would drop them for the Petri effect. Okay, so once I drop the colored inks, I am pouring the resin mixed with white alcohol ink over it, and then immediately I draw in my petals. So once that's done, allow the resin to fully cure. So it's the next day and I'm demolding it, and check that out. So I didn't drop the alcohol inks immediately after mixing the resin. You know, for Petri effect, you would mix the resin, set it aside and drop it when the resin reaches a certain consistency. So same way here. Alright, so I also wanted to see whether this would work with the high viscosity resin and low viscosity resin. So this is the high viscosity resin. So I'm dropping in the inks almost maybe 5 to 10 minutes after mixing, and then just making my design. Once that's done, allow this to cure. It's the next day. Let's demold this flower. So I've got my 3D flower, but the depth in the petals is a little bit less than the previous one. Okay, finally I tested this on low viscosity resin. So as you know, this has a long pot life. So pour your inks at the correct time. For this one, I think I almost waited for one and a half hour. So I'm following the same process as the previous flowers, making my design and hoping that this will stay. Let's see. Alright, time to demold this flower. So I can see that some changes to the design, and there you go. So I just feel that the white alcohol ink just blended a lot with the other colors, so it's a bit more prominent here. Final thoughts. As far as the definition and depth of the petals and the blending of the colors goes, the medium viscosity resin wins for me. So you can make that out really well here. So this is the medium viscosity one. So you do get the effects in the high viscosity and the low viscosity, but they will be different. So I've done a few more, guys. You know, you can try different designs, and you can try it on a larger size coaster like this one. It will look really good on that. So do try it out and let me know how it goes. So if you make one, do tag me on Instagram. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, comment, like and share for more videos. I'll see you soon in the next one.